Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to install Xformer and Stable Diffusion. In order to install Xformer and Stable Diffusion, you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. So first of all, you need to install the Xformer. And now, if you haven't installed the Xformer yet, then this section will help you to install the required version for Stable Diffusion. Now, what next you want to do is make sure you have installed the automatic 111 or Forge Web UI. And it's recommended to download and install CUDA 11.3 version, and the latest version sometimes supports from the official NVDIA page as well. So after which, what you want to do is select the appropriate configuration, set up your machine. Like in your case, we have the Windows OS 10 and 64-bit architecture. You can check yours by moving the system properties on this PC from home section, and the file size which you need to download to 2.7 GB approx. After downloading it, install it by following the installation instruction. Now make sure you have enabled the Xformer argros inside webui-user.bat files, and otherwise webui will not use it as well. And for confirmation that webui is using the Xformer or not, as usual, click on the web.bat to start automatic forge and move to command prompt. You will see launching. So after the first attempt of the image generation, it will take sometimes like approximately 10 to 20, but after that your image generation will be faster. So this way you could do it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.